Today is September 17th, 2010. We had a tremendous storm come through our house, our neighborhood yesterday, and through New York actually. And as we came home, we found all of this debris all over our block. I'm walking down my block. This is 166th Street, North Flushing, between 35th Avenue and 33rd. This neighbor already cleaned up the debris that was here. This is from whatever they're saying is the storm. My neighbor Kelly is down there raking from the debris that fell in front of her house. Looks like a couple of neighbors combined their efforts, but that big tree down there is quite amazing. This is just amazing devastation. As my neighbor just said, there's supposed to be a earthquake coming close. And now look at that tree wrapped in the cable. Devastating. Devastating. They've already taken down the tree that was here. The tree is gone. There's all sorts of cable spaghetti everywhere. Cable spaghetti. Oh, here's the tree down here. Cable spaghetti. Yeah, you're going to hear buzzsaws going. Trees down everywhere. This was the storm of storms. That house still has the tree in front of it. People are working diligently. But the poles, the cable.
Yeah, from this side. Maybe when the tree guys, when they were moving that tree, a root, you know what I mean? Might have just lied something. Yeah.
This is another tree that's mid-round in the neighborhood. I am now on 35th Avenue, walking towards 167th. There are cables everywhere, spaghetti, which I don't know if I want to walk right into right now, and hole digging implements. Do not cross cords or tape up everywhere. Some blocks are worse than others. This is looking up towards 32nd Avenue on 167th. Moving up the block, there's lots of debris in the streets. The winds they're saying 70-mile-an-hour winds. There has not been confirmation whether it has been a tornado. But it's interesting that the path of these blown trees goes from Crocheron to 29th Avenue, from about 154th all the way to the other side of the Clearview, which is 208th, 209th Street. It is just amazing what has happened. This is the corner of 168th and 35th. Trees just snapped all over the place. As you see by the street sign, it's 33rd Avenue and 169th Street. Another tree that just snapped off. This one didn't fall, it just more or less parts of it just snapped. And here's one that's still trying to figure if it's uprooted. And the amazing thing is, We looked at this house when we were looking to buy years ago, and I'm so glad we didn't buy, because it has gone through many gentrifications, and it has probably, since we bought 6 years ago, had at least 2 people buy. Interesting. Coming up to 170th, we have a lot of activity, a lot of stuff going on here, a lot of trees down. You'll see I'm walking down 33rd Avenue. There's the street sign, as you can see. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. People are in shock. Devastation. Oh my goodness. Where is the root of this tree? It looked like it just came from out of nowhere. Still trying to find the base of this tree. This is astounding. It's up in the air, twisted into the wires. Where is the base of the tree? Yeah, look at that. Here, it snapped off and got twisted into the wires. Who would have thought?
It's just hanging. It's huge. It's a huge pine tree.
I see that. I thought it was something that came from a few blocks down and came over.
Fall over here.
Well, I'm just surprised. It looks like it came from over there somewhere and got twisted in here.
Imagine.
Yeah, it's possible. It's possible.
You gotta go down this block over here, see the devastation on this block.
I'm taping the neighborhood.
Oh.
Here's a tree, the corner. We came by here last evening, although this doesn't do us justice. This is at the corner, like I said, Procheron. It looks like a tectonic plate in a miniature version that has just capsized in this neighborhood. This is astounding. We are besides ourselves. I don't know if this is the tree in front of me, but this is crazy. Look at this tree right in front of me. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Now the block of blocks is this one coming up. The traffic is in mayhem. I was able to get down here earlier. We'll see if I can get some bird's eye views. And this is the Jumanji block. It has just been one tree after another, fallen on the homes, the cars, the devastation. This is more than I think we even thought could possibly happen in this area. I'm just grateful I was able to get through earlier. I don't know if I can get through any further, but we'll see. Amazing. Simply amazing.
That's right. He didn't hit his home. He still got his home.
You ever see the pictures? Excuse me, wait here.
No, I'm just going right
No,
up.
you're not. Sorry.
Well, the fence is not until right there, sir.
No, you can't. Sorry.
We were able to come down here earlier, but they're not letting us down. But there's one house almost to the corner. We can't see it. He's past that brick house and the Dutch Colonial next to it. He did not get hit, but trees fell on both sides of him. And
Yep, this whole block. Unbelievable. And that block too.
Just devastating. Uprooted. Look at that root. The tree is just sideways. Unbelievable.